cryptocurrency? A beginner's guide to digital currency. Cryptocurrency 101. Cryptocurrency, also known as crypto, is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. It uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions, as well as to control the creation of new units of a particular digital currency. Many cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a distributed network of computers. Cryptocurrencies are distinguished from fiat currencies like the United States dollar or the British pound because any central authority does not issue them, making them potentially impervious to government intervention or manipulation. This article will discuss various concepts of a cryptocurrency to help you understand the novel financial innovation. How does cryptocurrency work? The majority of cryptocurrencies function without the backing of a central bank or government, instead of relying on government guarantees. Decentralized technology called blockchain underpins the operation of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies do not exist as a stack of notes or coins. Instead, they live only on the internet. Consider them virtual tokens, the value of which is decided by market forces created by those seeking to purchase or sell them. Cryptocurrency is formed through a process known as mining, which entails employing computer processing power to solve complex mathematical problems to earn coins. Users can also purchase the currencies from brokers, which they can then store and spend using encrypted wallets. These let you buy goods and services, use apps and games, or trade them for profit. Here's more about what cryptocurrency is and how it works. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a class of digital assets that are used for various purposes. For example, Bitcoin was developed primarily to be a form of payment that isn't controlled or distributed by a central government. Ethereum lets developers build automated applications in what has become known as decentralized finance, and Tether is a stablecoin whose value is pegged to the US dollar. Cryptocurrencies get their name from the cryptographic techniques that enable people to buy, sell, or trade them securely without the need for a third party, such as a government or financial institutions, to validate a transaction. Your decision: is cryptocurrency a good investment? Cryptocurrency is a relatively risky investment, no matter which way you slice it. Generally speaking, high-risk investments should make up a small part of your overall portfolio. One common guideline is no more than 10%. You may want to look first to shore up your retirement savings, pay off debt, or invest in less volatile funds made up of stocks and bonds. There are other ways to manage risk within your crypto portfolio, such as by diversifying the range of cryptocurrencies that you buy. Crypto assets may rise and fall at different rates, and over different time periods, so by investing in several different products you can insulate yourself, to some degree, from losses in one of your holdings. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are more loosely regulated in the US, so discerning which projects are viable can be even more challenging. If you have a financial advisor who is familiar with cryptocurrency, it may be worth asking for input.